Class 3 English Grammar. Okay, let's open the book now. So today we'll do the next chapter. What is the next chapter? Naming words. This much we have finished last day. Now we'll start with naming words. Now see, naming words. What is this? Naming words. That means nouns. What are nouns? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or things. It may be person, place, things, anything. Noun is the name of a person, place, things. Now see, we can put nouns in many different groups. Nouns are of many different groups. Now see, names of person. It can be names of any person. John, Mary, Mohit, Maya. Names of place. Delhi, Agra, Lucknow, Jaipur. Names of fruit. Apple, mangoes, grapes, banana. Names of vegetables. Potato, tomatoes, onion, brinjals. Names of bird. Crow, hen, sparrow, peacock. Names of animal. Cow, goat, horse, cat. Names of relation. Father, mother, uncle, sister, son. So these are all nouns. These are what? These are all nouns. Nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns are names of person, place, animal, things. Person, place, animals, things, anything it can be. These are all names, so these are all nouns. Okay, now next page. Go to the next page. The next page is what? This one. See. Now, the names of a particular person and place always begin with a capital letter. Now, what will the names? You know, you write your name with a capital letter. So, names of any place, person, okay, anything. The name will always begin with what? Capital letter. The names of person, place always begin with a. The names always start with capital letter. Okay. Now, person. See, Rohan, Atul, Neha, Lucy, etc. All capital letter. These are names of person, nouns. Cities, Ludhiana, Shimla, Panipat, etc. These all cities, nouns, capital letter. Rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, bees, etc. These all rivers. Countries, all names. India, Nepal, China, England, etc. Days of the week, you know, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is also capital letter, names of the week. Names of the days. Months of the year, January, February, March. This also months, names, etc. So capital letter. So all names begin with a capital letter. These are all names. These are all nouns, that means. Okay. Now see. What is this? Write the names of the days. So write the name. Today we'll do this one. Write the names of the days. Now what is this? Names of the days. First is Sunday. Then it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, one I am doing for. See, this I am done. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, and the rest you will do by yourself. This will be your homework. Months of the year. Months of the year. You write this one. Homework. 27/4. Months of the year homework. You will write January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then bird's name. Homework. Birds name. Any few birds name. Few vegetables name. Few big cities name. Some children in your class. Your friend's name. This will be your friend's name. All you can get from here. See, all the names are here. You can find it from here. The previous chapter also you will get the name. This also, these are all names. So this one you will do by yourself. So this page will be your homework. Which will be your homework? This page. Months of the year, some birds, vegetables, some big cities, some children in the class. This will be your homework. Okay. So today what did you learn? What are nouns? If I ask you what are nouns, what will you say? Nouns are names of person, place, animals or things. You can say nouns are, see. Nouns are names of person, place or things. Nouns are names of person, place, animal, things. Anything it can be. Any name, any place name, any person name, any animal's name, any day's name, any week's name, things name. These are all nouns. So clear? Naming words are called nouns. If I ask you what are nouns, in simple sentence you will say naming words. See, naming words. Naming words are called nouns. Nouns A noun is a name. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing. Noun is a name of a what? Person, place, animals, or thing. Naming words are nouns. So you have learned today nouns. Okay. For today this much. Thank you.